Okay,
Don't do that.
Okay, I can get it back out if you let me
Let
do
me
it first.
Oh no, this hurts. Somebody help me. It's like stuck in my hair.
Here, I'll do it slowly in reverse.
No, Cody, don't.
I'm
Cody, don't.
telling you, that's gonna work.
No, it's not.
Yes, it will.
Oh my god. This is not funny. This is stuck in my head.
I'm telling you, we have to put it in reverse.